How can you find the reading list on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So the reading list is part of a Safari web browser, and it is like a place where you put or save websites which you intend on reading later, right? So it's not like a bookmark. That's a bit of a different thing because the reading list is designed for articles and blog pages which you want to read, but perhaps not go back to them ever again after you read them. So at first, if you want to save to the reading list, you can open up your web pages, tap on the button next to the URL, and you can see we can go to the more three dots and save it, click on add to the reading list, right? So that's pretty simple. That's how you can add websites which you want to browse or read later. In order to see them, go to the Safari, tap on the three dots next to the URL, so not the button with the rectangle, but click on the three dots, go to bookmarks, and you should see the reading list when you go to the glasses view. And there you can browse the websites which you have saved. You can also delete them from the list if you wanted to. Depends on how you want to organize it, but that's where you can find it. One more thing though, the Safari app also offers a widget for the home screen, so you can always just access Safari from the widget, but the widget only has one feature and it is for the reading list, and that's why I'm mentioning it, right? Because you can also add it to the home screen and the pages you save to the reading list will appear on that widget for quicker access. So that's all I wanted to show you. Let me know what you think about it below. Subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos, and I'll talk to you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.